What is going on, YouTube family? Today we are running with Osaka Outlaw at Angeles Natural Forest. It is my first time running the Touge in California. It's going to be fun. I need to wash the car. I need to check my tire pressure and torque down my lug nuts, and it starts now.
Thank you guys for showing up. Same sort of style. If you guys have been on our events before, we're gonna leave out of here together. I hope you guys have all added the Joiner app. We use Joiner. It's similar to like Gold Rush Rally. They use Joiner as well, so it keeps track of all the cars. It keeps track of the route, so you can track where everybody is, how fast they're going, and then you can also see on the map there's a route, and then you can just click on the next route, and it'll automatically sync with your Apple or Google Maps. And that way you won't get lost, and you're not like having to steer with one hand and trying to navigate with the other, and then like off the canyon, you know what I mean? So today's kind of a special day because, as you guys can see, we're gonna be cruising with Carrera GT from Khalifa. Thank you for bringing that out. We also have some really nice HKS cars over there as well, and thank you John Fogg for bringing out the crew. Second thing is that ACH is now repaired, and so this is like the christening of that canyon road because. Sorry, what? Oh. We had rains, right, for like a month or so, and then parts of ACH kind of disintegrated. They repaved it, they refixed it, the roads are clean, they're smooth, they're nice, and yeah, we're gonna go all the way up to Newcomb, right?
had fun, and people knew how to drive. You know, people were using turn signals, hazard signals when they were slowing down. So it was a really good experience. One thing that actually messed me up a bit was my GoPro. I'm still trying to figure out how to mount the GoPro on a 360 over the car without it having to bend over or like collapse on me. I bought everything. I don't know how people do it. I heard some people do zip ties, and they zip tie their GoPro pole down to the mount. I don't think I'm beat for that. I'm always fussling with the GoPro, but we'll figure that out. I did get a new mic for the camera. I also got a wide angle lens, so hopefully you guys were able to see some good shots. Let me know below if you want me to do stuff like this, tollgate runs and stuff. The BRZ performed well. The Hankook Ventus tires that I have really got sticky to the point where it was throwing rocks to at the cars behind me. Little underpowered with the BRZ. I don't have any plans on turboing or supercharging it or making it go faster. I'm just using it as a daily. Audrey uses this as a daily, so it's been reliable. Most of you guys know it did drive cross country and took us up north to San Francisco. So it's a good reliable daily, and I don't really want to mess that up with a turbo or supercharger, even though it's done the right way. I've turboed many cars that are non-turboed before, and it always went south. But yeah, I'm headed back home. I'm beat. I'm gonna see if I can edit this video for you guys. I know a lot of you guys voted on Instagram to take the BRZ out to the mountains today and over the GC8. A lot of you guys were saying to preserve the WRX. It's a collector's item. Don't abuse it. I mean, I buy these cars to use. I don't buy it to park it up. Like, yeah, you know, I may baby the GC8 a little bit more. I might not go as hard as I can with those corners in the GC8, but I like to have fun in the car. But with the BRZ, I'm always able to push it a bit more, push it a bit faster, turn the corner